Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions and Roush Yates Engines are located in Race City, USA, Mooresville, North Carolina. With a combined square footage in excess of 135,000 square feet, they rely on Atlas Copco compressors to power their facilities.
I'm Jeff Smith, and welcome to Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions. Since we have over 70 CNC machines, there are 3, 4, 5-axis horizontal and vertical machining centers, Swiss turn lathes, water jets, mill turn lathes, and we use all this equipment to machine high-quality parts for our customers.
Everything at Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions relies on high-quality compressed air.
We have 2 compressors. We have them set up on lead and lag. Right now, they change over from one compressor to the other at 1 o'clock on Sunday morning. And the redundancy is the most important part. If one compressor should give us an issue, we immediately have something to fall back on. The compressor kicks in automatically and the shop floor never knows it changed. So our previous compressors, when we decommissioned them, we had them serviced, the PM was completed on them, and we reinstalled them in one of our other facilities. And right now they're set up the same way, lead and lag. We have redundancy and we're ready to go.
Roush Yates Engines also relies on Atlas Copco's compressed air solutions.
Roush Yates Engines designs, develops, and builds over 900 high-performance engines for Ford Performance, NASCAR, Cup, and Xfinity teams. Our rich history started back in 2004 with our co-founders Jack Roush and Robert Yates. These 2 legendary NASCAR Hall of Fame engine builder and car owners decided to partner with Ford Performance and be the exclusive engine builder for the Ford Motor Company NASCAR teams.
So working with the Atlas Copco service team has been a real pleasure. Anytime we call the service techs, they're always on the spot returning our calls or our texts. We've never had any issues with the machines, and the only time we really see them is when they're out for an annual PM. We don't have to worry about them. We've got so much going on with 70 machines, and the compressors are one less thing we have to worry about. We know they're going to run.